Brilliant love, and check out these Swarovski elements. Hello everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today we have a fantastic product from CIT, Smart Minting. Let's get straight into it. Now these boxes are really well made. It is the box that holds the coin, it is the certificate, and it is the deco that goes with it, all in one. Love that. So we'll just pull off the card there and have a look at the specifications for this coin. I did say coin, of course. It is a wonderful heart-shaped coin. This is Brilliant Love 2024, and this is part of the Valentine's Day series that CIT does. It's absolutely fantastic, and you can see there is a highlight to this piece. Well, actually there's several highlights, but the highlight that I'm speaking about is the Swarovski element there, the heart that's in there. Just brilliant, isn't it? Really fantastic. Now you can see you've got an extra sized heart capsule there. On the obverse of the coin, it is struck for Cook Islands. We've got King Charles III there. Opening up the capsule, you can see straight away just the features of this coin. Really, really nice. Now let's take a closer look at that obverse. As I mentioned before, King Charles III there. This has a face value of $5, and of course it's struck for the Cook Islands. Just a lovely mirror finish there. But turning it over, and let's take a look at everything that's going on here on the reverse of the coin. Now, of course, those Swarovski, which I mentioned before, the elements, you've got two hearts there, one very large heart, and then just to the right of it, the smaller one. Really cool to look at them from the side, just how much they come out of this piece. You've also got the color printing there, and then more detail just above towards the top of the coin. It's just splendid. And this mirror finish here all over, it's just been struck so beautifully. Then you've got the element of the color printing, and of course the Swarovski. Now this coin has a mintage of 2024 pieces, and of course you can get that on our website. That's www.emk.com.